In this MacrosFirst tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log a meal, whether that be a home-cooked meal or one that you're ordering out at a restaurant. So let's get into the home-cooked meal. First, you're going to scroll down to the meal in which you want to pre-plan ahead for or log, and then hit the plus sign. Then you're going to start typing for each item that's comprising your meal. So first is the chicken thighs. And this entry represents the raw version of the chicken breast that I'm cooking, and I'm going to eat it in its entirety, so it's pretty straightforward. And then I'm going to look for the next item, adjust the serving size if I need to, and hit check. Go to my next item, frozen broccoli. It's going to show the last weight that I used when I logged this food entry, so I'm just going to modify it to what I intend on using today. Hit the check mark, and then I'm going to finish it off with the last item, a little bit of fat and protein from the shredded cheese. Adjust the amount, and then from here MacrosFirst will show you the breakdown of total calories and protein, carbs, and fat that comprise that meal. And if you scroll up to the top of the app, you can see the total macros and how the macros from that meal impact the remaining macro budget that you have to allot towards your other meals and snacks in the day. So if there's any changes to make, you can scroll down to the meal, tap into the line item, modify the portion size, or anything like that to your liking. And now I'm going to show you how to log a meal if you eat out at a restaurant like I did today and had Chick-fil-A for lunch. So I'm going to scroll down to lunch and hit the plus sign. And then I have a shortcut, keyboard shortcut on my iPhone where if I type CFA, it'll autofill Chick-fil-A for me. Just a nice little handy tip. And then I can start typing in the name of the item that I'm going to add first, which is this grilled cool wrap. Just double check the information, hit the check mark, and then hit the plus sign again, and then start typing in my keyboard shortcut or the item I'm looking for. Fruit cup, 1 serving, hit the plus sign again, do my little search, look for the next item, which is grilled nuggets, 12 count, hit the check sign, and then I'm going to add in the little honey mustard sauce that I ate with it as well. And these are all foods that I've logged and eaten before, so they're already there. I know I can rely on those things, so if they're not, you can search the app for the relevant information or go check out the restaurant's information online and then create your own custom entries. So when you get your items in there, you can scroll up to the top ribbon here, double check to see how that lunch affects your day in terms of your remaining macro budget and help you formulate a plan for your other meals. You can go back down to the line on them and change things if you need to, if you ate a little more or less of those items, or none at all.